Good afternoon, everyone. I will talk about my assignment one. This is my presentation, and here is my ID card. My name is Zhu Haoran, and I will talk about. I will talk from the business background and problems. The business background I choose is a newly opened gym. At first, the gym managed its members' information by create, recording their numbers and the phone numbers on the paper. However, as the number of numbers increased, this traditional maze revealed many problems. The manager had to go through a large number of paper records to find the numbers information, which was not only inefficient but also proved the errors in addition, the paper records could easily by lost and damaged failing to ensure the security and integrity integrity of the information. Therefore, developing a number business information registration system become very necessary. And then I will talk about how the application solved the problems. And our member business basis information registration system service uh, these problems in a digital way. Members only need to enter their names and the phone numbers in the dialog box and the from the desk and click the add button and the information will be saved in the system. The process is not only simple and fast, but also greatly reduce the time and position possibility of error in manual recording. For the manager, find number information has become very convenient by entering any information about the number, such as our number or phone numbers. The system can quickly search and display the corresponding information. This effect search is so not only save time but also improve the quality of customer service, allowing the member to uh, focus mainly on the member experience and the business development. And then I will talk about the new business workflow. After using our application, the business workflow of the gym has been significantly optimized, starting from the front desk recording, the registration of number information has become automated greatly, reducing the possibility of research fraud. Desk staff can quickly enter new numbers information through the system for the gyms. Uh, Management, the system proved uh, a powerful backend and management features, they can easily view members' contract information and names, which helps them to better contact and save member uh, members. This data driven management approach helps improve the gym's operational effectivity and profitability. And then I will talk about the applications future. And our member base information registration system has the following features. First, I want to talk about the member information entry. Member can enter their base information such as name and phone number through the Thodesk terminal, and secondly is information searching. The system supports the the searching. Managers can quickly find the complete member prefaces by entering primarily information about the number, and thirdly is the information update and the deletion. Member information can be updated at any time. In addition, inactive member information can be deleted to keep the system data clean. And then I will talk about the data structures and structures used in uh, persistent data storage. You know, interest of the teams of data storage storage we choose a combination of uh, TinyWebDB and TinyDB. TinyWebDB is a high-weight database solution that through the and retrieves data using web technology. It's a lightweight uh, nature also makes the system run more smoothly and which is suitable for small and medium-sized business uh, like our gym by combining TinyDB and TinyWebDB. We can achieve fast data across and processing locally and synchronize and search data crossing multiple devices through the cloud, entering data security and availability, and then and meeting the needs of both standard and networked applications. And then I will talk about the testing plan. The ensure the to ensure the correctness and the stability of the application, we have developed a detailed testing plan to ensure that our member business information register system is standing and reliable. We will implement a comprehensive testing plan. First, we will conduct functions test on all inter bottom on the an interface, including the add button, get data button, find button, submit, reload, and delay all button. This test will verify whether the bottom work as expected. And next, we will perform data entry test using varied names and the phone numbers to ensure that the information can be correct, correctly stored in the database and quickly retrieved from it. The includes checking appearance and compilations of the data, as well as verifying whether the system can hardly many input scenarios, including exception and boundary conditions. Finally, we will conduce system testing in the real experience to evaluate the system's performance in the actual use. It will help us identify and fix any potential bugs, ensure that the system runs stably when overly deployed. We will also collect customer feedback and optimize the system to improve the smooth user experience. And finally, I will talk about the application limitations, future apples, and the future plans. First, the number business information registration system now has many problems. It only creates members name and phone numbers. This makes it hard to understand members' behavior deeply and give their special services. And then the system don't protect user privacy well. I think it need to make data more safe, be using better way to hid information and control who can see it. Uh, that will keeps number information safe and private. And I will talk. Finally, I will talk about the future plan. First, collect more member information, add more details about the members, like what kind of experience that and they lack, and their here's information. Uh, this will help give better special services, and then I think it we will make data service strongly using stricter rulers to protect the data, like ending verification codes. And thank you for listening.